तो टीम कैसा लग रहा है? बढ़िया
बढ़िया।
ओके चलो टुगेदर फॉरवर्ड नाउ।
It's time to get your heart racing.
The ride was so fun. It was very nice, awesome.
It's an out-of-world experience.
So, vanakkam, vandanam, suswagatam, lovely people. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and I welcome you all back to another episode of Vicious Take Vibes. Yes, right now we are in a place called as Rishikesh. Rishikesh is very special to me because I wanted to be here for a long time, because this is a hub of adventure sports and I love adventure sports. So we are here especially to do the adventure sports. So we are here for 2 days, today and tomorrow. So yesterday we reached here around 3 AM in the morning. So we slept around 4. Now it is 8:30. We just slept for 4 hours. So we are doing river rafting first today. So we have just booked the slot for river rafting. So river rafting is around 400 rupees for the 14 kilometers mark. 18 kilometers we wanted to do that Marine Drive, but it is too windy today. It is very cold, and yeah, because it's windy and we are 9 people, we'll not be able to do that. But it's okay. We are doing the 14 kilometers one, which is near Shivpuri, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, and you guys will also gonna have a lot of fun. So stay tuned, and if you're new to my channel, please hit on subscribe button and also go and watch all the old videos, because it's really nice. You know, yeah, I'm telling it myself, it's really nice. Please do go and watch. So right now we're gonna have some breakfast and then leave to the rafting point. So we have just come to the Rishikesh, the river rafting booking office, and they've asked us all the details, and also we're just filling it. And our boat is getting ready here. Just a minute. Yes, our boat is getting ready here, and it will be put on top of that vehicle, and we're gonna go for river rafting. Are you guys excited for river rafting? Yeah! We are here at the river rafting starting point now. We are all changing to our jersey materials, and from here we are going to go for rafting.
बोलो गंगा मैया की।
अरे भाई लोग, और कितना किलोमीटर?
Come on, take boat there. Come on, Chavas. Come on. Come on. Come on.
So, अब हम करेंगे 2 किलोमीटर का क्लिफ जंप। रेडी? 1
Come
So that is how our rafting went off. I hope you guys enjoyed the wonderful shots from the rafting. So we are staying at a place called as Go Stays Rishikesh, which has a 10-bed dormitory. So we wanted to have an experience of a dormitory also. That is why we booked this place, and it is really good. So we have a whole room of 10 beds for ourselves, for the 10 people. So now the plan is to go and watch the Ganga Aarti. So after coming to Rishikesh, you can't miss that wonderful opportunity to go and watch Ganga Aarti. So now we are going to Triveni Ghat. So we have booked a small bolero kind of travelers, which will take us to Triveni Ghat and back. And we'll also explore a little part of Rishikesh ka market also. That is the plan for today. So I'll catch you guys directly at the Triveni Ghats. So that is how Ganga Aarti is done. I hope you guys liked it. I'm not sure whether you guys are able to hear me properly because there's a lot of noise over here. And yeah, that is how the whole process of Ganga Aarti is done in Rishikesh. And it's really beautiful. So you have to come and experience it at least once in your life. So everything is going fine. Now we are going to the Rishikesh market. I'll go there and then I'll meet you guys because there are a lot of people around me. And I'm not sure whether I should be vlogging like this. So yeah, I'll go to the market and meet you guys. वैसा मैं उनके
आमांडा
We heard that jalebi is very much tastier in Rishikesh. I don't know why. This Jamshedpur girl only told me. So let us go and try how is the jalebi from Rishikesh. All these people are waiting for jalebi to come. 3 kilo है 3 plate. अर्धे ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ. So if you come for watching the Ganga Aarti, as soon as you finish, you come out to the market side, you can see the shop. Definitely go and try the laddu and the jalebi from here. It's really summa. So we're checking out from this beautiful place. Yesterday after that chats and masti, we just came and crashed. We also had some time together in the top of the floor, top of the activity area. So there were snookers, there were foosball and also all that we were playing. Now we are going to Neelkant temple. That is around 25 kilometers from here, and we have hired a taxi for that. So we're going in that, and I hope it will be fun. Today the excitement is really great because I'm going to do bungee jumping, which was on my list for a very long time. And so by doing that, there's one tick on my checklist. So after Neelkant temple, we're going directly to the bungee jumping office and do our bungee jump. So I'll catch you guys directly at the Neelkant temple. Okay. I'm finally here to do the bungee jumping. So there's too much of nervousness and excitement here, because while coming we can really see that bungee jumping ka board and looking at the height fatra mera, but still that is in my checklist and I really want to do this. So yeah, I'm really excited. I have no words to say.
It's time. It's time to get your heart racing.
The ride was so fun. It was very nice. Awesome.
It's an out of world experience.
So that was my bungee jumping experience. I hope you guys loved that video. I know I didn't do pretty much well, but I just take it as a memory and experience, because I tried my best to overcome my fear and I'm happy I did that. So did my friends. They did a really good job. So big cheers to them. So that is all about what we're doing in Rishikesh. Next we are going to Agra. That is the next destination. Our cab is waiting over there, so we have to head towards there fast. So I hope you guys like the video. Keep watching my videos. More interesting videos coming up, and this series is really good. So I'll put up the series name on top. Go click on that and watch every video of mine. And if you're new to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button. And I love you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, it's Vishal signing off. Live your dreams, love your life. Bye bye. Take care.